Day two of the jury selection in Miles Bryant trial that began early this morning as attorneys continued to question 60 potential jurors. Bryant faced multiple charges, including murder and kidnapping and the death of Susana Morales. Morales was just 16 years old. She was living in Gwinnett County. Her body was found 6 months after she initially disappeared in the summer of 2022. And right now, 11 Alive's Karis Belger joining us outside of the Gwinnett County Courthouse. So, Karis, we do know that Susana's family has been in the courtroom. Did you get a chance to speak with them at all today?
I did very briefly. I spoke with Susana Morales' mother. In fact, she was very careful when we were talking. She said she didn't want to say anything that could jeopardize the case, but she told me she's been here since the beginning and she's going to be here throughout the duration of this case. And today, the state and defense continued asking potential jurors about their TV viewing habits, among other things, specifically if they watched an episode of The First 48 about this case. Now, there were additional questions about their opinions on law enforcement and also their opinions about marijuana use. And that's because recently the judge allowed evidence that Susana used marijuana to be admitted into evidence. Now, Susana's family, as I mentioned, has been here all week as more than 60 jurors now have been questioned. Here's a little bit of what her mother said about how she's handling this process.
Giving thanks to the community for helping us and supporting us, and we wouldn't be able to pay them back for everything. And she's saying the various moments where we weren't there and they were supporting us, and thank you for everything for the community.
Now, when all of this began yesterday, the judge said that she wanted jury selection to be done by this evening in order to begin the rest of the trial motions by tomorrow. So hopefully in under an hour, we should have some more information on where we are in that process. I'll be sure to keep you updated. Back to you.
All right, we know you will. Karis, thanks so much.